Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to personalize one of the large Easter egg from the Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I do so, keep watching. So here I am over in Cricut Design Space and I typed out the name Bella. The font that I'm using in this video is called Hello. So once we have that type out, we're going to send it over to make it. It gets over into this type of the system. And because we're using a regular vinyl, we're not going to mirror anything. We send it here. We're waiting for the Cricut to sense that it's coming. And we're going to click vinyl. I'm going to put more pressure for cutting. Okay, and then once I do so, there's going to be a flashing light on my Cricut. It's going to sense that, hey, you need to load your paper, your mat. I load my mat. It's going to sense that, hey, we have the mat, you need to start cutting. Press the C for cutting, and here goes the Cricut taking it away. It's going to cut it out, and life is good. Once the Cricut is done doing its job, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to pull that mat out, and we're going to weed out our letter. I'm not going to be showing you that on camera, okay? So here we are, we have a large Easter egg from the Dollar Tree, and I don't even know if the Dollar Tree has these color anymore. This was a $3 egg from the Dollar Tree section, okay? I got this since last year leftover. Here's my ribbon. This ribbon is $3.99. It's not from Dollar Tree. It's from Joan fabric. Here goes Bella. We weed that out. We have a little headband, the Easter bunny ears headband. So $3 for this large egg. It's in the $3 section, and then we have the bunny $1.25. So overall it's about $5 worth of item from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm going ahead and I'm using 91% alcohol, and I'm just going to clean off this egg so we could get our vinyl stick to it. Okay, so that's all I'm doing, a piece of paper towel with 91% alcohol to clean that off. So now I'm going to be using a piece of transfer tape, and you know these things are from Dollar Tree, so they're very delicate. So I'm using the transfer tape that has already been used, okay? So it's not so sticky as when you first pull it out. So it is sticky, but not so much. So here I am, I use my squeegee and I burnish on the name. So I'm going to go ahead, we will do that same thing to the back. I'm going to pull that off, and then we're going to attach our name to the egg. Now usually, like this one piece of transfer tape that I've been using, I sometimes don't cut it because it's something I've been using for a little bit now. That's like, you know, that's so it's not so sticky for my projects that don't need to be so sticky. There are some projects that you gotta, like the balloons, you gotta make sure it's not so sticky. So here I am. I didn't want to cut it, so I went ahead and I kind of cut off the back end for like the bee or the bear. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick that on. So keep watching, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Keep watching, you'll see what happens. So even though my vinyl is not that sticky, it was pulling off whatever they used to make that tape, that color, whatever they used to get the egg a gold color. It was pulling off, so I had to cut the vinyl. Okay, so yeah, so I cut the the transfer tape, so I could maneuver it better, because now I realize this egg is overly delicate. This Dollar Tree, like, I like the Dollar Tree, but man, sometimes it's not worth it. You see what I'm saying? So if you're ever gonna do these eggs and you want to personalize it, do not get the gold egg, because they did whatever they did to get it the color gold is going to come off in your transfer tape. However, if you do the ones that are colored, like you have the green, the pink, the yellow, those are made in that color, so it's perfectly fine if you're going to do a green, pink, yellow, or blue. So this is something to keep in the back of your head if you're going to use the gold one. Whatever they put on it will come off. So I'm here trying to pull up the transfer tape nicely and trying to be very delicate, soft or delicate, pulling that back so we don't pull off all, we don't give this egg a wax. So that's all I'm doing. So just be careful if you're going to use this. Or maybe you could use a softer, like a more used transfer tape, or a softer tape. So it's coming off there, but I don't know if the egg is just expired because I have it for a year, or what it is. So anyways, I decided that I'm not going to make this over, because it's not for, I mean, it's for my friend's daughter. It's not like for somebody who's going to buy it. I was making a video for YouTube and I wanted to, so I put my friend's daughter name on it so I could gift it to her once I'm done, so I won't have it sitting down looking at me. So there it is. So if you guys to pay attention over more to the other side, you'll see, I'm going to show you the transfer tape. That's how much gold came off the egg, but it still looks good, so I'm leaving it like that. I still bring it for my friend's daughter, and she's gonna love it. My friend loved it actually, so when her baby gets it, she's gonna be happy. She just turned 4, by the way. She's the cutest thing ever. So here I am. I have my bunny ears, and I'm gonna be using some low temperature hot glue, low temperature hot glue, yeah, to put the ear over the egg. Because at this point, I'm like, these things are so cheap, I don't even know if I want to put the real hot glue. Next thing you know, it melts through and create a hole. So here I am, and I tell you, this glue is more running than the hot glue. It was like running and dripping. Look at it, it's just dripping. So I put some in the middle, and I put at both ends, and then I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that over the egg. Oh, look how pretty that is. And then we're gonna hold it in place to make sure it stick. And I love it, love it, just like that. So just hold it in place for a little bit to make sure it's stick, because you know it takes a little bit for the hot glue to dry, not forever, but a little bit. So I'm just putting a little pressure. So here I am. We're not going to use any ribbon from the Dollar Tree, because I didn't have any, and also this ribbon kind of take it up a notch a little bit because it doesn't look as cheap as the egg. Dollar Tree, man, I tell you, I love Dollar Tree, but boy. Anyways, like this egg should be selling for $3 with the damn thing coming off. Come on now. Like since Dollar Tree started having these $5 section, like change the name, change it from Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree. I know a lot of people love the Dollar Tree, and I'm not coming for the Dollar Tree, but change the name. We almost have an $8 section now. Okay, so change the name from Dollar Tree. So here I am. Cut a piece of ribbon. I already have this piece cut, so I'm gonna tie it around the egg. So I'm gonna tie it just above, like where you would close it, because I'm not gonna put anything inside of this egg, and I want my friend to be able to put her kid stuff inside this egg for Easter. So she's terrible at tying ball. So I'm gonna tie this as tight as I can, so when she open it, it doesn't fall off. So that's why you see I put all the pressure. Tight. He ain't going nowhere. I have it pretty tight up there. So I was just trying to make a ball, but it was too small. It was going to be too much of a small bow, so I'm going to leave that hanging, and I'm going to go ahead and we're going to make a little bow with the rest of my ribbon, just like so, and we're going to glue that with some glue above that. So here I'm, and it's 1, 2, 3, just like tying a shoelace. Okay, it's nothing crazy to the bow, so literally just like tying a shoelace. I'm not going to bring out a bow maker or anything like that. It's literally like tying your shoelace, just like that. Life is good. Pull it along and hold the next side so it get tightened. So if you don't kind of hold the other side, you see how I hold like the roll to my other side right there? Because if you don't, then you're just gonna pull it right through and it's gonna untie. So, and we want this to tie nice. So there it is. So now we have a nice looking bow. So once I feel like I'm gonna shape it as well, because you gotta shape it to make sure it looks nice. And we're gonna put it right above that knot right there. Beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna get our scissors and we're gonna cut that off, and then we're going to use some more hot glue, and we're going to hot glue it right to, I'm not even going to hot glue it to the egg, because at this point I'm afraid of this egg. I'm really afraid of this egg. I may hot glue it to the egg and it fall off with the gold foil or whatever they put on it. So I'm going to hot glue it to the knot of the previous ribbon that I put on it, and it's beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this camera is not doing this project any justice. All it's doing is revealing everything that's in front of it, like my ring light. You could see you could see me through it. That's all it's doing, revealing everything that's around it, inside of it, like a damn mirror. But it's absolutely gorgeous. As I was walking in to work with it, everybody was like, oh my god, that's so cute. It's absolutely gorgeous. So here I'm just gonna ducktail the end of my ribbon to make it look a little fancy-ish. So here we are, we're ducktailing, cutting with our scissors, just like so. Nothing crazy. And then I feel like I'm a little extra, and I want to take it up a notch to make, because the bow is a little out, the ribbon is a little out of place. It doesn't really match what's going on, but I'm using what I have already, because I'm not going to go buy anything, because Dollar Tree is no expensive. Okay, we're not going to buy anything, so I'm using what I have. So I decided that the piece of ribbon that leave back after I ducktail, that give you like that little pencil shape, like a spike shape, I'm gonna hot glue it to the ear of the bunny to make it match. So that's all I'm doing. So now I'm measuring that piece. We're gonna cut that down and make sure you cut it straight, okay? And we're gonna put some hot glue, and we're gonna put that in the bunny ear so it matched back. And let me tell you, this was a wonderful idea to put the ribbon in the bunny ear like that. So at the end of the day, it's not like I'm using extra ribbon. It's just that I cut the ribbon and I have these left over, and I decided, oh wait, this almost looks like a pencil or like a crayon. Let me just see. And because I had two pieces, I cut two ducktail, right? So they call them ducktail, yeah. So that's all it is. So then I try to get a good picture of this. Okay, it was hard. I had to turn my under cabinet lights off. I was trying my very best to get like a good image, and it just wouldn't show. The light was too bright, so all you were seeing is the lights back into it. So I had to turn off most of the light to capture. This is the best I could have done, so I hope you get the drift of what it looks like. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. And just like that, $5 from the Dollar Tree, and we'll put our ribbon $3.99 and our vinyl maybe about another $1.50. So what's five? Yeah, about, it costs, believe it or not, about $10 to really make this egg. So how much would you sell this egg for if you pay $10 to make it? How much would you charge yourself? How much would sell in total? Go ahead and write in the comment section and let me know how much you would sell this egg for, or how much you would pay for this egg. Okay, just like it is. So if you make it this far throughout the video, you're the real deal. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoy what you see here, before you leave, what did you do me a favor and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, therefore you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure you go ahead and follow me over my social media page. I do more over there than I do over here. And you could go ahead and check out my TikTok shop in case you're interested in anything I make. You could purchase off my TikTok shop. Not everything is up there as yet, but you can tell me what you want. We'll put it up there. You could go ahead and purchase it. So if you, again, you're still here with me, you're the real deal. Thank you guys so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you for all the new people who are coming in. And again, my old people, please be patient with me. Spring is coming, so I'm going to have your outdoor projects coming soon, so you don't have to watch these things, because I know y'all don't really want to watch these things. You want to see what's going on the outside, but it's cold up north New York, so we're taking it outside pretty soon. So remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.